Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you might have guessed by the title of this video is going to be a review video on the Ma'Earth Botanicals French Green Clay Restorative Face Mask. Now I received this product a month back and I was testing it for 1 month. So I used to apply this clay mask once every week, and you guys can pretty much see how much my skin has evolved and how good it has become. I love my skin right now. I never imagined it to be like this, but I'm loving it, and it's only because of this mask. Apart from this clay mask, I haven't been using any other mask so that I can give you my honest reviews about it, and I loved it. It has suited me so well. Although this is a clay mask and I belong from the dry skin family, it still suited me so good, and I would suggest that irrespective of whatever your skin type is, it is always essential to moisturize your skin after you mask, or after you apply a clay mask. So yes, I used to always apply a moisturizer after I used this mask, and I love my skin right now. I think I have gathered a lot of information about this product to give you my thoughts about it, and I will also be sharing a demo with you so that you guys can see how this product works on my skin. So if you want to know about this product, then please keep on watching. What the product looks like. It comes in this very beautiful tin box. Talking about this box, this is 135 grams of product and it is priced at rupees 950. The best part about these products are that it is free from all types of synthetics, sulfates, chemical activities, and all of their products are handcrafted. You can go onto their website. I will link their website in my description box, so do check that out. And you can see that they sell all sorts of products from skincare to hair care and to body oils. Ma'Earth Botanicals is basically a luxury line of skincare and hair care products. All of their products are so luxurious and so therapeutic and aromatic. Like, it's very relaxing and calming. I love this. The best part about this mask that I love is the smell. My god, so luxurious guys, so luxurious. You definitely need to try this out. I love the smell. Moving on to the benefits of this mask, it helps in reducing your blackheads, breakouts and acne. It helps to tone your skin. It also absorbs excess oil and impurities from the surface of your skin. Also gives your skin a healthy glow, and it also helps in stimulating circulation and healing blemishes. The key ingredients of this mask is French green clay, kaolin clay, aloe vera, rose water, essential oils of peppermint and lavender, and hence I told you that it smells so heavenly. To make it short and sweet, French green clay is one of the most majestic mineral skin clays. It is so good for your skin. French green clay is also known for its remarkable absorbent properties. It is beneficial in tightening your pores, exfoliating dead skin cells, and reducing inflammation in acne. This mask is great for oily and acne skin type people, and since it's organic, I don't think so it's going to do any harm to your skin. Any skin type can use it. It is good for all skin types, but it would definitely suit the oily and acne prone skin people a little more. Apart from French green clay, this mask also has kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is also known for absorbing excess oil from your skin. It also helps to restore your skin and balance out the skin's oil, and also helps in reducing oily skin symptoms. Also, this mask has rose water, which has excellent antibacterial properties, which helps to reduce your skin's redness. Also, refreshes your skin. Along with that, we have aloe vera. I don't think so I need to tell anything about aloe vera. Everyone really knows how good aloe vera is, and its multiple uses. It helps to, soothe your skin, soften your skin, add some hydration, cool your skin, and refreshing. So all in all, it's a very refreshing, therapeutic and aromatic mask which has multiple benefits for your skin. And I think I've spoken enough and I should probably shut my mouth now and show you a demo. So before showing the demo, I'm just going to remove the remaining makeup that I have on my face and I'll be right back. So I have taken off my makeup and now I'm going to apply this mask. So I'm going to tell you the directions. As stated in the box, it says that you have to apply a thin layer all over your face, avoiding the eye area. You can cover your eyes with cotton pads soaked in cold rose water. Let it dry and also rub cold milk all over your face to soften the mask and wash off. So I'm going to apply this mask first all over my face and then I'm going to show you guys. So I'm so excited. I'm just like, guys, smell is amazing. I'm going to be using this sort of a brush to apply it all over my face. Applied this mask all over my face. Now I'm going to wait till it dries. Approximately it takes me 10 to 15 minutes till it dries. So we right back after it finishes. So I'm back and I think my mask has dried out. So you can see it's all clean, it's dried out. Directly go and wash my face is going to cause wrinkles and it's going to tug my skin, which is not correct. So I have a cloth and I have some cold water right here. You can use cold milk if you want, as it is suggested. Now I'm going to loosen the mask. I'm going to take the cloth like this and I'm just going to loosen the mask, because it is a clay mask and it's quite tight on my face. See, and some of that will come off as well. I'm going to quickly go and wash my face with a face wash and I'll be right back. So guys, I've just washed my face and now I'm going to pat dry and then show you the results. So guys, I pat dried my face and this is what it looks like. The immediate results, you guys can see it. My skin feels so much more tighter. It's very toned. It definitely feels a lot cooler and the smell of the mask does remain for some time on your face even after you wash it, which is a great thing. You will feel that aroma, which is very great. My complexion has become a lot more cleaner, and up my skin as well, which I like, and it looks much more cleaner. It's also very much essential that you should moisturize your face right after this mask. So guys, I think I've pretty much summed up everything about this mask, and this is also not sponsored video. This is purely my reviews about it. You guys can pretty much see it, how great it is and how beautiful it looks on my skin. Actions speak louder than words, and I think that this mask has done its job really well. If you have any other questions or doubts regarding this product, then don't forget to comment down. I will surely answer your queries or any other thing for that matter. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, keep showering your love and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.